Hey guys, we are headed off to our storage unit. We got the truck all loaded up, and this is probably our 10th load. But Canadian Tire also has mountain bikes on sale, and we need some new ones because ours are old and we got them from like a yard sale. So they are going in our yard sale up there. And we are taking the kids to, what? We are taking the kids to a dinosaur exhibit that they have at the mall close by. So we're gonna do that as well. Oh, I gotta get that. So yeah, the kiddos are in the car. Dude decided to come with me instead of with daddy because, you know, he loves me more. I'm going to pick up my dad. Kyle just stopped at the gas station quickly. And then we'll be on our way. Oh, we have to stop at the storage unit, drop everything off, and then we're going to pick up mom at work. And then that way we don't have to take 3 vehicles because we already have to take 2. We have to take 2 because baby girls is coming, and then if we do end up getting mountain bikes, then we have to put them in the back of the truck. That's why we already have to take 2 vehicles. And there's no sense taking 3 because mom will have hers at work, so we'll just pick her up on the way. Just picked up mama.
Thanks a lot.
She's all in her thrift store outfit.
Yeah, great.
We got baby girls.
Something.
And then dad's back there.
You wanna go work out, Damien?
Hey dude, are we gonna go see some dinosaurs?
Who wants to go work out?
You wanna go work out? You're the only kid that actually would have fun at that. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go see some dinosaurs.
Okay.
Yeah. He goes. Can we go see them? Yeah, cool, huh? Beautiful girls. Oh, look it. Oh, it's a T-Rex.
What's that?
Dinosaur.
Like trucks.
Yeah. Who is that? That's like Ty. Yeah. Ty. That's a T-Rex. Look at that guy in the raptor. Like the Scraptors. Look at that guy.
Oh, it's in there.
Yeah. Cool. Look at it.
That's pretty cool, dude.
You wanna go see
Oh,
it?
this is that reptile zoo that we passed.
Look at.
That's pretty cool, dude.
Look at, that's cool, huh?
Walk it down?
Cool, huh? Let's go see the big one. Let's go see the big one. Whoa! Look at that one! Look at that one! Holy! Wow! That's a big one! Wow! That's really big.
Look at that guy, buddy. What do you think?
Do you like
Look
that?
at him.
That's
Isn't
a
he
big T-Rex.
What's he doing?
Cool, huh? No, you don't need a ball. Look at that guy. Look at it. Look at him, Damien. Cool, huh? That's a cute purse there you got.
Good job, Pepper.
It's cute. I like it.
Purple's not my color.
What do you think? Do you want to go see some more? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Damien, wait.
Perfect, thank you.
Holy dude! Dude! Oh, it's okay. Come here. Come here. Go see mom. You want to come see?
See, there's one right there. Look, it's right there. He's so cute. He doesn't like the price.
I don't think he's going to. Shoot! He's stoked about the ones out there. Oh, that's too bad. I really thought it was gonna be. I didn't know they made noises and stuff. You okay, dude?
Stand here. You
Aww.
don't want to see him? No?
He's like, past the black curtain? No. You don't like it? You think it's cool?
Holy, he's a big one back there.
Holy, look at that one.
Look at this little guy.
Cool.
Look at Damien, look it.
Yeah, that one's, yeah, it's that one. You're gonna get eaten. See? Beautiful, what do you think? That's a lot of noises, huh? Can't be any worse than your brother. Huh? Damien, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want to go get something to eat? Did you get some food? What did you get?
I'm not getting it this time.
Bye. Go see. Go see. Now he won't leave. That's funny.
Walks in, looks, they got it. No, not doing it. It's in there closed. We're not shopping yet.
Okay, let's go, dude. Beep, 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 beep. Come on.
Yeah, come on, Damien. It's okay.
You want your food? Really, dude?
Look how high this cart is.
I know. What do you think?
And these things.
What the heck's going on? Here, your rock fell.
Yeah, I'll get it. I'll get it.
Where'd your rock fall? Hey, dude. Go get some bikes. Gotta try and find a bike. There's too many to choose from. See, here's one that's comfort, Mom, that has the low dip. But
I just gotta look at the white. Right?
yeah.
Gotta love them Canadian Tire's empty. We're testing out bikes. And let's tiff way halfway down. I made it all the way to the end where the ladders are. Try out your gears.
I don't know how to use them yet.
One goes high and one goes low. One goes low, one goes high. They're opposite.
I gotta try the other one down there.
Die.
Are you buying helmets this year?
No.
Yeah,
Yay! You're trying that one now?
Yeah, I'm stuck.
I like that one's color better.
Really? I like that
The
color.
purple? I love the purple color. I don't care for that one. Okay, go right to the end. Go right down to that guy right down to the there.
Oh.
Go all the way down there, man. You get going pretty good. Go, run, Damien. Go for a run. Go, Damien. Go, go, go. Go. Oh, there's a dog down there. She can't go much further. Come on, Damien. Come on. Beat mommy. Faster. Faster. She's going to get you. Faster. She's going to get you. Oh, you win.
I need mom's opinion. Or dad's opinion.
Make your own decisions, young grasshopper.
I just don't know which one I like better. This one definitely gives her, like. Well, I got 2 bikes. Kyle switched up at the last second.
Well, 3 inches
But-
of tire length is
Yeah, it's a totally different bike. And it happened to be $100 cheaper, so.
especially if we're gonna go like an 8-kilometer bike ride back and forth. It'll be
Yeah.
a cool time.
And now we're at Harvey's. Because it's the best fast food. So, you're starving? Yeah, we're gonna go inside. Well, we just finished. And I think we're all ready to go home.
9:25 at night. Yep.
Yep. Dude is tired.
And Michaela's sleeping.
What do you want?
Michaela's
Yeah. She's sort of half awake. Okay, are you ready to go? Yes. Go home and see D? He's probably freaking.
Don't lose that.
Well guys, it is 10:30 at night and we are home finally. Damien is already in bed. He fell asleep on the way home. This kid fell asleep on the way home too, but she feels chilled now, so I'm trying to get her warmed up. Because it sucks going from a warm car outside. Yeah, so we're gonna get these kids down and out for the night, and then I'm supposed to edit a video tonight still, and oh my goodness. Sorry if all these vlogs are so late, but we've been so busy lately, and tonight was kind of one of those things where if we didn't go to the dinosaur exhibit thing tonight, we wouldn't get there and Damien would miss out. So that kind of took priority over a lot of things that we should have been doing. Same with the bikes. If we didn't go tonight, they wouldn't be on sale anymore, and we got them like half off. So we saved a lot of money by doing that. So today was kind of screwed up, although we did get 1 load to the storage unit, so that's good. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.